Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get daily UCL points and you in UCL group stage event in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So you can get 5 UCL points. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game and still confusing how you can complete the quest and challenge the event so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap play button, tap the live events, tap the UEFA Champions League, and this one, the main page. So you can get 5 UCL point by only one tap. This one, just one tap, you can get UCL point. Just watch ad. Just tap this, the watch ad. Let's try. And I already watched the ad, and I'm skip the ad. Tap to open, and I've got UCL 0.5. So you can watch the ad every day, so you can get UCL point. 5 UCL point for bonus. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.